Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew, and today we'll be doing a review of BackMarket and we'll be doing an unboxing. So stay tuned. Cue the intro. All right, family. Let's talk about BackMarket. If you don't know about BackMarket, it is a marketplace that sells refurbished electronics like cell phones, tablets, laptops, wireless earbuds, all type of things. You just check out the website. They have a whole lot of refurbished products that you can get for up to 70% off the price you would pay if you pay for a brand new. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, check out my description box and I'll leave a code down there where you guys could get $10 off your first purchase from BackMarket. And you know, they'll give me a kickback as well. So, you know, you get a hookup on a good deal, and you know, I get a hookup for letting you know about the good deal. So, you know, make sure y'all check that out. But BackMarket is very, very unique because refurbished products are not new. They're not just come to the scene. And one of the leading people in refurbished business has been Amazon. And I've actually purchased refurbished products from Amazon before. And I was satisfied for the most part. And when I wasn't, you know, they pretty much took care of me and made sure, you know, everything was good. But I think BackMarket goes above and beyond with what they promise you and what you really get when you make your purchase, because I've noticed that the prices are comparable to Amazon, but the warranty that they provide is far exceeds any other thing I've seen out on the market. So you get a 1-year warranty on all of your products, which is amazing. It's crazy, a 1-year warranty. So you know they're standing by their product, and that's always good to know when you're about to spend your hard-earned money. So they have a 30-day return policy if you don't like the product, and a 1-year warranty, and that really smashes everything else out of the park in this in the market when it comes to refurbished products. So yeah, they also let you know about how they're cutting down on waste by encouraging people to, you know, use what we already have on the planet and utilizing refurbished products, which I think is cool as well. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into this unboxing. I made a purchase, and yeah, I'll let you guys know about it and we can check it out together. All right, y'all, I'm gonna bust this thing open. All right, it was shipped through FedEx. It came pretty quick, I think less than a week. I got it actually a couple days ago, but I'm opening it now. I want you guys to see my address and everything on the other side. Alright, so here's the packaging. That's how it was shipped. Came with a, this is the seller who worked through BackMarket. So yeah. Alright, so it's not original Apple packaging, but I don't care about a box. I don't know anyone who keeps their phone boxes. So anyway, all right, so obviously we got the phone right there, and it has like a generic phone cable, USB to Lightning. It doesn't look like original Apple or anything. Another generic brick. It charges. Have paperwork, whatever. But yep, that's what comes in the box. So we'll check out the phone. I ordered a iPhone 12 Pro. I wanted to upgrade. I got it in excellent condition. So it's not supposed to be any, it's supposed to be like new. And it appears to be like new. I don't see any visible signs of wear or any abnormalities or anything. So right now it look like it's what I paid for. It's powering on now, so we'll be able to check the battery health and things like that. But I'm gonna look at it and log into my iCloud and let you guys know what I think. Alright guys, so we having technical difficulties. So they didn't include a SIM card extraction tool, so I got a old safety pin, and we gonna try this. This is the phone that I'm replacing with the iPhone 12 Pro. This is a iPhone SE, the 2020 model. I got it as soon as it first came out. It was $400. I paid cash straight out for it, and it did me well. It had all the basic essentials that I needed, but now that I make more video content, I felt it was time to upgrade to iPhone 12 Pro. They got world-renowned cameras for cell phone, and their videography is pretty good. And I thought it was time to upgrade. So, but I didn't want to drop $1,200. So you know what I'm saying. I check out BackMarket and see what kind of deals I got from there. And yeah, that's where we at. But yeah, I'm just swapping my SIM from the SE, my iPhone SE 2020, to the iPhone 12 Pro. All right, family. So I finished setting up my cellular service with my iPhone 12 Pro, and I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with my purchase. The presentation, the quality is spectacular. Absolutely no scratches or no cracks or dings. The phone looked practically new. The only thing that I'm concerned about a little bit is that the battery health is at 84%. I checked on their website, and they BackMarket did say that during the testing process, they require all their sellers to have a minimum battery health of 85%, and mine did come at 84%, and they do have a space on their website where if your battery health drops below 80%, they will replace your battery, and that's what comes along with that 1-year warranty, and that's what gives me a little peace of mind to that they're backing up their product for 1 full year. And with that being said, my overall review for BackMarket for refurbished products, I'll give them, right now, I give them a 8 out of 10, and I'll come back in a couple of months to see if the battery health on the phone maintains good strength and I get good charging out of it, and it would go up to a 9 out of 10. But we'll see. But overall, I'm satisfied with my purchase, and I think this is a good alternative for purchasing new products for $1,100, $1,200. So you can get premium quality products that look very good and function perfectly for a fraction of the cost. And I think more people should consider buying used or refurbished products because you can stretch your money a long way and get good quality out of the product. So that's my review for BackMarket, And if you're in the market for a new product, a cell phone, electronic device, check the description down below, and I'll leave a code that you can receive $10 off your first purchase at BackMarket. And I'll receive a little kickback as well if you do use that code. But either way, check it out, and that'll wrap this video up. Oh. You know I got, I had to get some cases. I had to get a case and a screen protector from a product because my iPhone SE, my son actually cracked this phone like a year after I had it. And I had it in an OtterBox case. Shout out to OtterBox. They make some tough cases that do the job. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna pop a case on this iPhone to keep it protected, and I advise you to do the same with your new products, because I mean, they ain't cheap, cuz they ain't cheap. So yep, got me a little case for my iPhone. Look pretty good. Think it'll go good with some of my suits. All right, guys, that'll do it for this review / unboxing video. If you feel like you got any value from this video, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Brother Andrew, out.